Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your XDC tokens from Trust Wallet to a more secure hardware wallet like Trezor. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Trezor set up. Update your apps to the latest versions for 2025 compatibility. This ensures everything runs smoothly on the XDC network. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the XDC token in your portfolio. It's usually listed under your assets, so tap on it to access your balance. Next, hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, so now's the time to grab your Trezor wallet. Connect your Trezor device to your computer or phone, unlock it with your PIN, and go to the XDC wallet section. Copy the receiving address. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Back in Trust Wallet, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for network fees, which can vary based on congestion in 2025. Review the transaction details carefully, including the gas fees, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve this on your Trust Wallet with biometrics or a PIN for security. Once the transaction is broadcasting, keep an eye on it via a blockchain explorer like XDC Explorer. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network conditions. When it arrives in your Trezor, verify the balance to ensure everything transferred correctly. A quick tip: always use the XDC network for these transfers to prevent any errors. And never share your private keys or recovery phrases. Security is key in crypto. If you run into any issues, check official support channels. There you have it, folks. You're now a pro at withdrawing XDC to Trezor. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.